In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 and 11 before starting. Make sure you have another web browser installed, since Edge is the default for many functions. First, open your browser and head to the download page for Wise Uninstaller. Click the free download button, and once the file finishes downloading, double-click it to begin the installation. When prompted by the user account control, click Yes, then click Install. Uncheck any optional offers, then click Finish to open the program. Once it's open, scroll through the list of installed applications and find Microsoft Edge. Click on it, then hit the Force Uninstall button and confirm by clicking Yes. The program will find leftover files. Click Select All, then Remove to delete them. Next, go to the Browser Extensions tab, select Microsoft Edge, and uninstall all related extensions. Finally, head to the Metro Apps section, select Microsoft Edge again, and click Uninstall one more time. Once everything is done, close the program and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it, Edge is now removed from your system. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.